What? I'm done, boss.
Nice. Here's your salary.
Thanks, boss. I'm going, boss. $9,500 and $10,000. Wow! It's the lot I sell, Dad. I am sending the money. Hi, Dad.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Great! I just got my salary. You are retired, Dad. You're not supposed to help anyone anymore.
It's him. He talks by money.
Stop. I recommend cancel them after I eat. I just want to sleep soundly and tonight. Love you, Dad.
You're the one who stole my money and you will pay for it.
It was me, I swear.
Don't lie. I know it was you.
No, wait.
You are under arrest!
Good day. A disturbing incident took place yesterday afternoon in PAYDAY where a young construction worker was violently attacked on his way home after receiving his salary. The suspect, believed to be under the influence of illegal drugs, reportedly mistook the victim for someone who had stolen money from him. Authorities say the attacker was agitated, paranoid, and acting erratically.
The victim, identified as 24-year-old Ryzen August, had just finished his shift on a nearby construction site and was walking along a quiet road while speaking to his father on the phone. As he spoke, an unidentified man began stalking him from a distance. Witnesses say the suspect picked up a piece of wood and threw it at August before tackling him down to the ground and assaulting him.
Now, we saw him punching the poor guy over and over again, saying something about stolen money, but it was clear he wasn't in the right state of mind.
August sustained multiple bruises to his face and body. Fortunately, police responded quickly and were able to restrain the suspect before further harm was done. According to the police, the attacker has a prior history of drug use and mental instability. He is now in custody and will face charges of physical assault with possible drug-related offenses pending further investigation. Authorities remind the public to remain vigilant and avoid isolated areas, especially after withdrawing or carrying large sums of money. As of now, Bryson is coming at home with his family. He is expected to make a full recovery. This has been from Cesar Catalea Rini in Yabang reporting for PNHS News. Stay safe and thank you for watching.